Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Thursday, January 20th, 2022. It's late night update and we have some interesting things to show you guys, thus the late report. Speaking of which, we put out 4 reports today to our subscribers. That's a new record. There's our subscription service there, and that was to our monthly subscribers. Okay, you can also see our disclaimer and awards over the years, and we'll get that more in focus for you guys. There you go. And last but not least, I want to thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. Remember to hit the reminder bell and the like button, which I will show you a replica of, which is there. Appreciate all the patronage to the channel. Okay, some very interesting things. We're going to take a little different bottom-up approach, okay? Interesting day today. This is very important. It shows the importance of third waves. We're looking at the E-minis, the futures, okay, March futures, 10-minute bar. This is today. This is at 11 o'clock. You can see the high there, and then we have 5 waves down for 1. Okay, I'll put that in there for you guys. All right, give me just a second. This is very important stuff, and we'll see if it extrapolates to the larger trend. Okay, and we'll just throw 4, 3, and 4 there. Okay, we had a 1 down, a 2 up, and you can see this is a 10-minute bar. There's 3 down. It ended up, you can see the 3.618 multiple there. Okay, generally third waves will do a 1.618. But in major declines, they never do a 1.618. They do a 2.618, a 3.618, or even a 4.618. Look, 5 down might be starting as we speak here, okay? And our 4 targets, it's nowhere near there. Anyway, look at these 10-minute bars. I think there's 16 of them here. In the span of 2 hours and 40 minutes, there's 1 black bar, and it closed 1 point higher than it opened. Otherwise, all of them would be. Thus, the power of a third wave, okay? And there's 4, and you can see 5 down has just begun. We'll see where that goes. But we have targets, and we'll get to those. I want to show you guys a pic of this, if you will. It's right here, okay? There's that same chart we were showing you. That's at 11 o'clock. There's at 1310. There's 1. At 1400, there is 2. And at 1640, 2 hours and 40 minutes later, 134.75 point drop, almost 3% in 2 hours and 40 minutes, and there's the 1 bar. Why is this important? Because these charts are all fractals of each other. You know, what you see in a 1 minute, you'll see in a 10-minute, you'll see in an hourly, okay? So if this third wave on a 10-minute chart is showing us what will happen on an hourly chart, then we've got some much bigger declines ahead. And I'm going to show you guys the E-minis here on an hourly. And you can see there was our target where 3 equals 1 at 45.02, and it just blew past it. Okay, this is that smaller degree of trend which I just showed you. I'm going to take that out so we don't confuse anyone here, okay? So we're looking at the larger degree of trend on the hourly, the E-minis. There's 1, a circle in the red. There's 2, okay? This line here, 45.02, was where 3 equaled 1, okay? So 1.618 is at 43.58.50, okay? But remember, the 10-minute did a 3.618. I'm not saying this is definitely going to happen. Just extrapolate this out. If it does, then this is what we're looking at. Okay, the 2.618 is 41.23, and the 3.618 is 38.87 and 50 cents. Okay, will that happen? Not guaranteed. Will it happen tomorrow? Not guaranteed. But I just want to put it out there. It's on the table. Okay, I think I had another chart of that is the hourly, and that only shows the 1618. Let me see if I let's see if I have the cash index here. Here's that late night report. Let's look at this in more of a 200%. so we can see that. There we go. Okay. This was our fourth report of the day. There's that chart. There's our wave table. And yeah, 134 points. Okay. And there's our E-mini futures targets. Okay. We'll see how that plays out. Let me see if I can. I don't know that I have the cash S&P in an hourly, but I could do it. Yeah, I thought I might have all of that. Let's just let's see here. Let's go from Netflix to the S&P and make it an hourly. And let's go hourly. And let's make room. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Yeah, I've got a lot of stuff on here, but let's see how this. Yeah, see, there's so much stuff on here. Okay, but we can get an idea. And I think I have it here. Okay, please excuse all the notes because they extrapolated out from the smaller degree of trend. There's that D-wave high on the 4th of January at 48.18. There's the one low. There's the two high. For argument's sake, the 1618. See, the one is 45.1450. The 1618 is 43.71. I have it right there. All right, the 2618 is 42.46. And boy, that's really close to those targets we had out there for the bottom of that triangle, which I don't have that line in there. We got 42.46 with a 42.43 or a 42.32. The 3.618 is sitting down there at 40. I'm sorry. Let's see, make sure we got that there. Yeah, 43.71. And the 2618 at 41.36 right there. Do I have the 3618? No. Well, let's put that in there. Let's get rid of this smaller degree of trend so it's not confusing. I apologize. Let's remove that. We'll keep the larger degree up there. And we'll do settings, and we'll throw the 3.618 in the loop. Now we have them there. The 1-to-1 is 45.14. The 1.618 is right there. The 2.618 is 41.36. And the 3.618 is 39.02. We will leave you with the E-mini futures. There's where that was. And we'll look at the futures again, see how they're playing out. There we go. There's 1, 2, 3. And look at these. We're looking for entry points. You're always looking to go short when there's a bounce. But if you were like me, who ended up chasing all day, all this down here, okay, and there's only one bar, so you either had to chase or hold, looking for that third wave. But you can see 4 targets here. We have 44.89, roughly 45.05, and 45.21. That's where you would think 4 would go, and 4 went here. And this is the beginning of 5. 1, 2, 3 right here is a 10-minute bar. So let's just do this. Where's our 4 target? If it just gains equality, it looks like 4 ended here. We're looking at 44.22. We're looking at 43.98. And that's sitting right on that 2.618, right at 43.58. Okay, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Could be an exciting day. We'll see if wave 3 of 3 extrapolates from the 10-minute out to the hourly. But this is what we had today. We'll see what we get tomorrow. Until next time, take care, everyone.